बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बी शरह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Bachcho, we have started the chapter number 9. We have done the exercise 9a almost and some of the practice question. Now we are going to solve the question number 10 of exercise 9a. Question is, find the value of m if 2 into 1 by 4 ratio 6 is equal to m ratio 1 into 1 by 5. We have the different ratios and we have to find out the unknown value, that is m. Now 2 into 1 by 4 ratio 6 is equal to m ratio 1 into 1 by 5. So first of all we will solve the mixed number. We convert them into the simple fractions. What we will do, we will multiply 4 into 2, 4 into 2 8 plus 1 9 by 4 and 5 into 1 5 plus 1 6 by 5. These are the values. 9 by 4 ratio 6 is equal to m ratio 6 by 5. Now we will get the LCM of 5 and 4. What is the LCM of 5 and 4? That is 20. Solve it on your LNW register. You can find out the LCM. Now multiply all the 4 values with the LCM. 9 by 4 multiplied by 20. That is the LCM of 4 and 5. Ratio 6 multiplied by 20 is equal to 5. M multiplied by 20. Ratio 6 by 5 multiplied by 20. Now we will divide 20 by... Now we will divide 20 by 4. The answer will be 4 5s are 20, 5 9s are 45. 6 multiplied by 20 will be 120. M multiplied by 20 will be 20m. And 5 will divide the 20. 5 4s are 24, 6 are 24. Now 45 ratio 120 is equal to 20m ratio 24. Bachcho, if you will see 45 and 120, both can be divided by a single number. So we will divide 45 and 120 with the 5. 9 ratio 24 is equal to right hand side will become same. Now 9 ratio 24, 20m ratio 24. We will convert these ratios into fraction. The fraction will be 9 by 24 is equal to 20m by 24. Now we have to find out the value of m. So we will make the m alone. First of all we will remove 24 here. How we will remove it? 24 is dividing here. We will move it towards the left hand side, and when the multiplication operation will move to the left hand side, it will become the division will become the multiplication. 24 multiplied by 9 by 24 is equal to 20m. So 24 will be cancelled by the 24. The remaining value is 9 is equal to 20m. So again we want to alone the m. 9 divided by 20. Why divided? Because 20 is going to be multiplied with the m, and this multiplication will be converted to the division. M is equal to 9 by 20. G. Part B is given that x ratio 3 ratio 9 by 2 is equal to 15 by 4 ratio 4 into 1 by 2 ratio y. We have to find out the value of x and y. First of all we convert the mixed number into the simple fractions. X multiplied by 4, where we got the 4 from the LCM. 2 4 and 2, both 3 the values has the LCM 4. X will be multiplied by 4, then 3 will be multiplied by 4, 9 by 2 multiplied by 4, 15 by 4 multiplied by 4. All the values will be multiplied by 4. Now 4x ratio 3 4s are 12. Ratio 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18 is equal to 15. Ratio 2 2s are 4, 9 2s are 18 ratio 4y. Now girls, look over here. We will compare the ratios. First two ratios on the left hand side and then the next two ratios from the right hand side. 4x ratio 12 and the From the right hand side we will take the first two ratios, those are 15:18. Now the second and third ratio 12:18, it will be equal to the second and third ratio on the right hand side. 12:18 is equal to 18:4y. Now convert the ratios into fractions, that is 4x by 12 is equal to 15 by 18, 12 by 18 is equal to 18 by 4y. Now 4 divided by 12, 4x by 3 remaining, we cut the values with the 4. Again on 15 and 18 both will be reduced by 3, we divide them with the help of 3. Again 12 by 18, we divided both the values with 6, and 18 and 4 we divide them with the help of 2 and we get the 9 by 2y. Now cross multiplication, 6x is equal to 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. 2 2s are 4, y is equal to 9 3s are 27. Now x is equal to 15 by 6, y is equal to 27 by 4. Now solving them or simplifying them, we got the fractions 5 by 2 or y is equal to 6 into 3 by 4. Again divide 5 by 2, then you will get 2 into 1 by 2 and y is equal to 6 into 3 by 4. Working on the same pattern, you have to solve the question number 11. If P ratio Q is equal to 3 by 4 ratio 2 and P ratio R is equal to 1 by 3 ratio 1 by 2. Now you have to find out P ratio Q ratio R and Q ratio. Solve it on your rough register. I am waiting for your response. If you have any ambiguity, any problem, you can ask to me. Thank you so much, and solve it on your LNW register and send me your feedback.